In Bishalgarh, police conducted a targeted search at several hotels in the Battala area to apprehend a youth named Ranveer Devnan. The operation follows reports that the individual has been using social media platforms to direct viral abuse and offensive language towards others. Despite the thorough search at several hotels in Battala area, the Bishalgarh Police were unable to locate him at the time of the raid.
क्या
अरे अभी कुछ नहीं
सर पूरा बोल देंगे तो
Reported by Chini, Khorang.